is a disgusting story, one of the worst of its kind, because I'm not surprised that this happens, and it has done for decades, where a Pakistani immigrant in Australia, wanting to stay there permanently, hooks a French white woman, marries her, they have children. He's clearly keeping up with pretense because his intentions are not the same. He's not the best example of a husband. She's still supporting him. Anyhow, they're in this marriage. They travel to Pakistan a couple of times to meet his family. She's none the wiser. Then they have a third trip. And on this trip, he banishes her and her 2 children to a room that is nothing less than a dungeon with no air, no light, no windows. He keeps her captive for 12 years. She is a slave to his emotional, physical, sexual abuse through this time and bears him 3 more children. Just imagine. Thankfully, when her teenager son felt confident and had the courage to sneak out of the house and inform the police, they took note and acted. The family was removed. She is now in the safety of the police. The Australian authorities and Pakistani authorities are working together to ensure that this woman and her children are returned to safety. She wants to go back to France, and quite rightly so. I hope this disgusting cretin of a man not only gets thrashed in public, but gets thrown behind bars forever. And kudos to the son. I hope this family who are disconnected from the world, the children did not go to school, they can now find peace and resume somewhat of a normal life in safety with a hope that they will heal.